Dear students, in this video we are going to delete a node at the specific position. Let us discuss with the diagram. So this is the existing list 4, 6, 7. These are their addresses, and the head contains the address of the first node, that is 2000, and the head's previous is null, and the last two nodes next will be null. Okay, specific node, actually as per the diagram, at the position 2 the data is deleted, that is 6 is deleted. After deleting, 4 should contain the address of this, and this should contain the address of this one. Here this will be 2000, and here it will be 4000. Okay, so this is what here done. 4000 it is connected here, and 2000 it is connected here. So this is the final output after deleting the node at position 2. Now let us discuss the coding part for this. So this is the function name, deletion at position with the one argument, that means which position data to be deleted. Okay, so from main function, when it is called, the control will come here. After completing all those things, again it will go back here. So name of the function is deletion at position. As per the diagram, position is equal to 2. Okay, so here temp to traverse, and del node, which node to be deleted. So traversing state, first assignment temp is equal to head, and then these are the things. Now this part I will discuss with the help of the diagram. Now you see position, actually second position element to be deleted, I have to traverse, but here 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 less than 1. Here itself the condition fails, because already I am present here, the next element only I am going to delete. That's what, no need to do any traverse. So this total part is traversing part is skipped, because already I am here only. Okay, so what is the first step? Listen, del node equal to temp of next. What is temp of next? 3000. So that is what del node. Del node is temp of next is 3000. So this node only I am going to identify to be deleted. Okay, del node equal to temp of next. And the next part, listen carefully. Temp of next equal to temp of next of next. I will write here for your convenience. Temp, temp of next, temp of next. Right? As per the case, okay, first I have to write temp equal to header, right? 2000. This is what. Now temp is 2000. Its next is 3000. 3000 next is 4000. Now this is the case, right? Temp of next 4000 is assigned to temp of next. So this is temp of next. Here I have to assign 4000. So 4000 means it is pointing this node, right? Not this one. Okay, first step. Second, temp of next of previous equal to temp. What is this? This is temp. Its next is now currently 4000. Temp is 2000. After this modification, temp of next is 4000. Its previous, this place, temp of next is 4000, its previous. In this place, what I have to assign? Temp value. So here I assigned 2000, so that it is pointing to this node, right? And the next, free of del node, so I deleted this node. After this, this is what here, temp of next value is 4000 is assigned, and the temp of next of previous is temp value 2000 assigned. So that this is the way the coding is working. I hope you understand this coding part, right? Now let us see the animation for that. See here, we are going to delete at the specific location. As I said already, position is equal to 2. Okay, let us see how it is working. Here we did not discuss about the first and the second case. This is for traversing. I have taken that temp variable, assigned the head value, and doing the traversing here until I reach the node which is to be deleted. After that, I am doing the updation of this pointers. Okay, after that I deleted the node. So finally the output will be looking like this. After that, the function will come back to the main function. After this, the function will return to the main function. It's the time to see algorithm. So same thing. What is that? Initializing the pointer temp, that is head to here. and then we used the conditions by using the for loop, position minus I less than position minus 1, and the temp of next becomes null till the time I have to traverse by using this statement. And then I identified the del node, that is temp of next is the del node I am going to delete. Okay, after that I have to update the pointers. So what are the updates we have done? It temp of next is equal to del node of next. We can write this or that, both are same. And then here previous also we have to assign temp of next of previous value, also we have to assign as the temp. Once all the updation is done, then we have to free the memory free of del node. I hope you understand the concept of deleting at the specific location of double linked list. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will continue in the next video.